Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Capcut and importing the clips you will use. This places everything on the timeline. Next, tap the timeline where the sticker should appear. This anchors placement and timing. Once done, confirm your aspect ratio and frame rate so stickers scale correctly. Otherwise, size and motion can look off. Make sure to save a quick draft version before heavy edits, because that preserves your original clips if you need to revert. Now add the sticker. Tap the Stickers tab and pick either a built-in asset or import a PNG/GIF from your camera roll. You can pinch to resize, rotate, and drag to position. This is important for visual coherence. For movement, add keyframes at start and end points so the sticker tracks motion smoothly. Also tweak opacity and blending modes to make it look natural against the footage. These small adjustments sell the effect to the viewer. Finish by previewing the entire clip at full speed and render a short test export to confirm playback is smooth. If timing feels off, add extra keyframes or nudge sticker frames by frame for precise alignment. Make sure stickers are on the correct layer, otherwise they may be hidden behind overlays. If you encounter glitches, clear Capcut's cache, re-import the sticker file, and update the app. These steps resolve most display or export issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.